Namaste to all of you. So, my friends, how are you? As pandemic COVID-19 is going on heavily when today 7th May 2021 I am recording this lecture at that time COVID-19 patients on peak in Sangli district and new strain is discovered which is very harmful to the human health. My friends, why the India is lagging behind the all over the world about the research. Even the Serum Institute, there is a collaboration with the Oxford University. Why there is not a university like Oxford in India? We have inside India, the number of universities are in the India are famous in the all over the world. And then Macaulay come and who give the new education policy, which is very dangerous to the Indian students, so that India will be, even though Indian students are brilliant, they have sharp memory. If you give a very bad education policy like they Macaulay given, so that the India will lagging behind in the research all over the world. But my friends, totally that you can be overcome on that Macaulay policy because okay, it's up to BSc level, BSc 1, 2 level. It's okay. You are doing the study that by try to remember by writing number of times on the notebook so that you can remember in the exam. This is the Macaulay way. All over the world, particularly in the countries like England, America, Australia, higher education or school education is more time is given for thinking. They are given, they will give a problems, not problems like in the mathematics or problems like how many kilometers the boy goes in how many times, not like that. You should think on everything, whatever you are studying, and in what way you are thinking, how your thinking power will be improved. That is learned at the country like the America, England, Australia, Japan. So the even though they are not students are not too much brilliant, but the countries are ahead. And not only that, my friends, those people are those students gone for abroad study, and they are now settled in the America. The institutes like the NASA, number of students from the India in the NASA. One survey there that near about 70% students are from the NASA, from the India in the NASA. All over the world, the students are there. This is the cream of the India all over the world. Then what today is the we are studying the Macaulay education policy. Why we are lagging behind? Think on that. What you are doing? Suppose I have given syllabus. You are reading one time, two times, three times. The ladies people, particularly ladies students, are writing number of times, but they not understanding the subject. Only for doing for exam. When I am starting learning at the college level, at that time I am totally understood that point first. And knowledge I have got it. That's why I completed my MSc and PhD also. So you go like that. Suppose one point is given to for a maximal Boltzmann distribution. My friend, this Maxwell Boltzmann distribution is everywhere in the world. How it is important. Now the pandemic COVID-19 is applied. Maxwell Boltzmann distribution is also applied for that. How? First wave is Patients are increasing and at the peak and again start decreasing. In some days, some months, the graph is flat and again start second wave start. Again the patients are increasing. We don't know where is the peak of the second wave. That is the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. You study like this. Apply your thoughts to the general life. When you are studying the magnetic flux, magnetic induction, lines of force, you have to keep like that. Lines of force means single sugar cane. And magnetic flux means number of sugar cane per unit area means magnetic flux. Magnetic lines of force per unit area means flux. And magnetic index means flux per unit area. In Marathi, explain. एक ऊस म्हणजे लाईन ऑफ फोर्स अनेक उसांची मिळून जे गट्टा तयार होते मोहरी होते त्याला म्हणायचं मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स किंवा लाईन ऑफ फोर्स पर युनिट एरिया आणि अनेक उसाच्या मोळींनी भरलेला जो ट्रक आहे मित्रांनो तो म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन कसं काय तर फ्लक्स पर युनिट एरिया म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन लाईन ऑफ फोर्स एक ऊस लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स पर युनिट एरिया फ्लक्स फ्लक्स पर युनिट एरिया मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन एक ऊस उसाची मोळी उसाने भरलेले ट्रक म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन like that physics is very easy. So we again go to that point. You are all the students BSc 1, 2, 3 think on that because due to the hard efforts by the Dr. S.M. Kumar and Principal Dr. Arish Sawanki and his team, we received near about 34 lakh grant from the Department of Biotechnology. Due to the pandemic, we are unable to spend all the money we received because we have to visit to the number of places. We have to take the reports like that. My friends, you should remember that is great opportunity to you to do research. My in my TYBS students, there are three groups for three projects, and now for the next year another one project will be given. But people's means students not thinking us hardly or sincerely on that. Some students are promising me, oh sir, we will do study. In front of me, they are showing the body language like that. They are much more sincere. My friend, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who writes our constitution, we don't know is there time to eat something in the evening. He continuously going on reading 24 hours. My urge to all my students to first year to third year, at least 10% of that Bhimrao Ambedkar you take. You go on the study reading on research for at least 3 hours daily. Then my friends, India will be on the top because that will be started from your and the pandemic, even though number of pandemics will if come in the future, they can vaccine is ready easily and in short number of times if you are doing the study. My research is the preliminary study of air ions or effect of air ions on the different areas like agriculture area, storage, and this pandemic COVID-19 also. But this is at the preliminary level, my friends. But I hope you give me full support and you are going to read number of times, number of research papers, then it is also possible. The Porus College will be in the map of the world in the research, depending upon you friends. Come on, you can do. And once your mind is interested in the research, then you will go on reading number of papers, research papers, number of books, and finally you will write a research paper. To develop that mind, that is research mind, this is the best way or great opportunity given by the Department of Biotechnology India to develop your research mind at the graduate level. We are in the graduate level, I don't know anything about the research. But my friends, it is great opportunity to you. But take it serious. Throw on all the mobiles. Don't use daily mobiles for 1 hour or 2 hours only. Only at 10 minutes you will go for the one mobile. Don't see the TV, particularly ladies fellows. My friends, don't go for a TV. And you go on reading the number of research papers on air ions. You go in the research gate, then you will type there air ion, then thousands of research papers you will receive on the research kit. Or even though you type on the Google air ion, thousands of the research paper you will see. You read that and come to the conclusion that I want to do study or I want to do research under guidance of Dr. Pawar SD. Then there is no no one you will stop you, because that is your hard work tells us all over the world that is what you are doing the research. So my friends, this is totally depend on you. You can come with a particular plan. So I want to do this on air iron topic. Particularly I am my topic is air iron. Then you come with for air iron. You contact to MBA company and so particular says also for in their topics what they are doing the research. Okay, in this way, if at least one paper will be published on your name, international paper, then the great achievement by me, because you have time now. Pandemic is going on. If you have a great chance, golden chance to you, go on reading on the Google the number of papers on the air ions. It is possible that you will publish at least one paper before graduation in the International Scopus Index Journal. That is the database. Scopus Index means a database, the journals which are very important, high impact factor, that is indexed in the Scopus database. The number of journals are there which are paid. Don't go for that journals. Okay. So research is very important. You go through that number of times, read the publications, research papers, books. You should raise your mind a problem on air ions and come with that problem. We will discuss. We will set a certain platform. We write a certain algorithm, and that finally we will, after completing our research, we will publish in the good journal. Depending on how you are discover something, that discovery depends on your mindset. How? Suppose you something is discovered, then what is the research? What you are discovered, that you have to explain why this happens. That is the research. Something is happening. You tell me. Then you and me go through number of readings of the number of research papers and books, and we will find why this result is coming. then we will write a research paper on that. Why this happened? We have to explain that. We have a number of problems, but you come with a research mind. It is possible. You can do. So I hope this lecture is the turning point in your life, because when I am registered, before registration of my PhD, I went through one national conference at Karmir Bhaurao Patel College, Uran Islampur. And uh, at that college, I heard carefully one lecture by Dr. D.V. Jadhav. After completion of his lecture, directly I met him and asked, I want to do research on your topic. He said, you come to the Pune. And due to my mindset, I am completely, in 5 years, I completed my PhD. So, depending on your mindset and your attitude, your paper will be published maximum depends upon your the attitude. So, this is the golden chance given by the Department of Biotechnology with the hard efforts of Dr. S.M. Kumar to do research, to publish research articles in the international publication. I hope this will be the turning point in your life, and you will do something on the research and how it is important for the country like India. Your research is very important. That will be depend totally on your mindset, and your mindset will be positive. I am positive, and the results will be positive, and we will publish an international publication. Thank you very much, my friends.